In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a complete Django blog website with database connection and admin panel using AI for completely free. And I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So since we are creating a Django website, you need to have few things installed in your system. So the first one is you need to have Python installed. You need Python for Django, and then you need to have Node.js installed on your system, and you need Node.js for the AI. So in order to check whether you have Python installed or not, you need to go to your Windows search option right over here, CMD, and here you can see command prompt. Click on this and let me just zoom in. And if I just say over here Python dash dash version, then press enter, it will show you the Python version. So if you are seeing the Python version, it means Python is installed. And if you do not see the Python version, then you need to go to your browser, and in the browser search for python.org. So you need to go to this link, and here you can see this is python.org, and here you can see download section. So once you hover on download on the right side, you will see this Python version. So you just need to click here and it will download a exe file, and you just need to install that file, and Python will be installed on your system. So after installing Python, you need to check whether you have Node.js installed or not. So in order to check whether you have Node.js installed or not, you need to write over here node dash dash version, then press enter. So if you see the version, it means Node.js is installed. Otherwise, you need to go to the browser, and in the browser search for Node.js, and here you can see nodejs.org. You need to click here and it will take you to this page, and here you can see download option. Click on download, then choose the LTS version, go down, and here you can see MSI. If you are using Windows, just click here, it will download a exe file. You just need to install it. So installing Node.js and Python is just like any other software. It is really simple. So once you have Python and Node.js installed, it means you are ready to create your Django project using AI. So first of all, we're going to create the Django project by ourselves, because if you use AI to create the Django project structure, then there might be some issues. So this is why let's go and create our Django project. So let me just go to my, and I'll go to local disk G. So I'm going to create my Django project over here. So first of all, let's go and create a folder here. I'm going to create the folder, and let's say the folder name will be Django. So let's go inside this folder, and there you can see right now we are inside this folder. So here I'm going to click at the top right over here CMD, then press enter. So it will open a command prompt. So for the Django project, we need to first set up the environment. So in order to set up the environment, we need to say over here Python -m venv. Then we need to say over here venv. Then we need to press enter. So it will create a venv folder over here, and in this folder there will be some files, and it's done. So after this, we need to activate this venv folder. So for it, we need to say over here venv, which is this one, the folder name. Then we need to give backslash. Then we need to say over here scripts, scripts. So S will be capital. Then we are going to give a backslash. Then we are going to say over here activate. So if we now press enter, our venv environment will be activated. So right now we're going to install Django. So in order to install Django, we need to say over here pip install Django. Then we are going to press enter. So it will install Django over here, and it will take a few seconds to install. And there you can see Django installation is done. So right now we're going to create our project. So in order to create our project, we need to say over here Django dash admin. Then we need to say here start project. So this is our command. So after that, we need to mention our project name. Let's say our project name will be blog website. You can name this part anything you want, but this part needs to be the same. So right now we're going to press enter, and it will start creating a project for us, and it is done. So here you can see it created a folder over here called blog website. So if you now go inside this folder, you will see two folder, blog website again, and there you can see manage.py. Okay, so let's go back. And right now what we need to do is that we need to go to the project directory. So here you can see right now we are in the Django folder, not this folder. Okay, so we are going to say over here cd blog website and then press enter. So there you can see we are right now in the project location. So we will be able to run our project. So in order to run the project, we need to say over here python manage.py run server. So you need to make sure that you are in the project directory before you run this command. Okay. So you need to run this command to run your Django project. So I'm going to press enter and it will run our project. And then you can see it is done. So here you can see an address. So we're going to copy this. Then we'll go to our browser. In the browser, if we paste it here and press enter, and there you can see we're able to successfully create our Django project. So right now we're going to use AI to create our project, our blog website basically. So keep this on running. So we're going to minimize this. And right now, let's go to our folder. And there you can see we are in the Django folder. And here you can see blog website. So this will be basically our project. So let's go inside this folder. And here you can see we are in the blog website folder. So right now, I'm going to click here at the top, right over here, CMD, then press enter. And one more thing, once you install Django, it will also automatically add SQLite database. Okay, so you do not need to add any extra database for this project. SQLite will be enough for us. So let me just zoom in. So here we need to install a AI to create our project. So the AI we're going to use is called OpenCode. So just go to your browser and search for OpenCode.ai. Then press enter. So it will take you to this page. And OpenCode is open source. So you can use this AI to write your code and is completely free. And inside OpenCode, you can also use Cloud, GPT, Gemini, and some other AI coding assistant. So right now we're going to install OpenCode. So in order to install OpenCode, here you can see npm. So you need to click on npm and it will give you a command which is npm i-g OpenCode AI. So it will install OpenCode globally and you need to have Node.js installed for it. Okay. So we're going to click here and this command will be get copied. So right now, let's go to our command prompt. Here you can see. So we're going to paste the command. There you go and press enter. So it will install OpenCode in our system. And it will take a few seconds, like 20 seconds to 30 seconds to install. So there you can see OpenCode is installed. So right now, here, if we just say open code over here, and you need to make sure that you are in this project location. Then write over here OpenCode, and if you now press enter, it will open the OpenCode CLI. There you can see. So in this OpenCode CLI, you can write anything you want and OpenCode will write the code for you. And if you just say over here /models and then press enter, it will show you all the available model, and there you can see those model are free. And here you can see Ctrl+8 to see the all providers. So here you can see search option. You can search for other model as well. So we're going to use the big pickle. This is free and this is actually quite good. That's why. So I'm going to select the big pickle on. And if you now press on tab, it will go to plan mode and build mode. So you can use OpenCode to write a prompt for you as well. But we're going to use ChatGPT to write the prompt for us. So here you can see that we are inside our blog project, basically Django project, and we're going to need to write a prompt over here to tell OpenCode what OpenCode needs to do. So right now, we're going to go to our browser and search over here ChatGPT. So using ChatGPT, we're going to generate an idea for blog website and we're going to tell OpenCode write the code for us. Okay. So right now, I'm going to tell ChatGPT. So here we're going to say, I have created Django project. I want to build a simple blog website with functional and modern admin panel using Django and SQLite. I want the both homepage and admin panel design to be modern, unique and beautiful. The AI I'm going to use OpenCode. Now write me a prompt for this. So I'm going to click here and it will generate a prompt for us. And there you can see it mentioned the backend, the database, which will be SQLite. The frontend will be HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So let me just check the prompt a little bit. And there you can see it give us the whole prompt over here. And actually there is a lot of prompt on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 prompt in total. But I'm going to convert this into on-click open code automation so that we are going to give the whole prompt at once. Okay. So I'm going to just copy this, Control C, Control V, and press Enter. So it will give us a single prompt. So it will be easier for us. But actually, if you separate the prompt in step by step, you will get better result. But we are just going to do it in quick mode. And there you can see at the beginning, it give us a command to the open code that do not ask question, do not generate partial code, execute all step sequentially until completion. So I'm going to copy the whole thing from here and absolute rules. Okay, everything. Okay, so Control C, or you can just copy it like this, right click and copy. So after that, if you want, you can open Notepad, paste the whole prompt, and if you want to make some changes, you can make the changes over here. Okay. But I'm just going to copy the whole thing, whatever ChatGPT has given us. Then we'll open our OpenCode CLI and paste it over here. And there you can see Control V, it pasted 280 on lines. So right now I'm going to press Enter and OpenCode will start writing code for us. And on the left side, if there is any changes, you'll be able to see it over here. So since we give the whole prompt, so it will take some time. It may take like 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes. I am not sure how long it will took. So right now there you can see it started creating folder for us. So right now I'll just fast forward the video and let's see how long it took to build our project. So there you can see our prompt is complete and it took 11 minutes 13 seconds to complete the prompt. So right now let's go to our browser and let me just refresh over here since our project is already running. And I think there is some issue. Okay, let's just close this and let me just close this as well. So over here our project is running. So let me just close this and let me just run the project again. So I'm going to click here and open another command prompt. So we're going to say over here Python manage.py run server and press enter. So our project is running. So let me copy and let me paste it here, then press enter. And there you go. We are able to see the website, and this is our blog website. So it's actually looks really great. That design is quite authentic. Our homepage, there is some categories option, but that's not our thing. I think that's fine. We can just tell OpenCode to add those category and OpenCode will do it for us. Explore post, start writing. There is some error for start writing. So if I now click here, we have the admin option. If I now click here, there is some error. Let me just copy this, Control C, and I'm going to tell OpenCode that there is some issue, fix it for us. So OpenCode will understand that there is some error, so it will fix it for us. And there you can see it is fixed. So it is also showing us the admin username and admin password. Admin username is admin, password is admin123. Okay, let me just refresh here. There you can see we have the login panel. And if for some reason you are not able to see the username and password, just tell OpenCode to give the admin username and password, or you can also tell OpenCode to create a admin user for you as well. So here we're going to give the admin username, which is admin, and the password is admin123. Then click here sign in, and there you can see we're able to successfully log into the admin panel, and the admin panel design is actually good. I'm actually quite surprised by the design. There is a error for the comment. We can just copy the error, paste it in the not over here in the OpenCode, and wait for OpenCode to fix the issue for us. So while OpenCode is fixing the issue, let me just check other things. So here you can see post. I'm going to click here, create new post, and there is no issue here. So let's give a title. Let's say the cat, the cat. Let's say comment the good cat. Let's say this. There's some category. Let's say category will be what, Python. Status publish, and let's choose an image. Let's choose this cat image. Click on open and click here create post. There you can see post created successfully, and we are able to see the cat image over here as well. So right now, let's check. Let's click here, and we are able to view the post. And can we edit it? There you can see of the edit option. We also have the delete option. So let's delete different post. Let's delete this one. Delete post cannot be undone. I understand. Okay, the feature is actually amazing. It is deleted, so everything looks perfect over here. So right now, let me just log out. They can see you have been logged out successfully. So let's go to our home page, and they can see you are able to see our post. So this is how we can create your blog website using Django with admin panel, database, everything using AI completely for free. And simply, it actually took like 15 minutes to complete this website, and the design, everything looks awesome and everything is working properly. As you can see, so I'm actually quite happy with the website. So if you follow me, you also will be able to build the same website just like me. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or if you want to suggest me anything, what type of tutorial I should make next regarding AI, then let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next AI tutorial.